Oh man, I gotta clean up my garage. Look at this mess. I got I got to put all the brass fittings back in the brass fitting thing, and then the screws and nuts, and then oh oh no, this is unacceptable. I can't continue working under these conditions. I am out of beer. Time for a beer run.
Well, we know where we're going, but we don't know where we've been. And we know what we're knowing, but we can't say what we've seen. And we're not little children, and we know what we want, and the future is certain. Give us time to work it out. Yeah. We're on the road to nowhere. Come on inside. Take a night ride to nowhere. We'll take that ride. Feeling okay this morning, and you know we're on the road to paradise. Here we go, here we go. We're on a ride to nowhere. Come on inside. Take that ride to nowhere. We'll take that ride. Maybe wonder where you are. I don't care. Here is where time is on our side. Take you there. Take you there. We're on a road to nowhere. We're on a road to nowhere. We're on a road to nowhere. There's a city in my mind. Come along and take that ride. It's alright, baby, it's alright. And it's very far away, but it's growing day by day. And it's alright, baby, it's alright. Would you like to come along and help me sing this song? And it's alright, baby, it's alright. We can tell you what to do, but they'll make a fool of you. And it's alright, baby, it's alright. There's a city in my mind. Come along and take that ride. And it's alright, baby, it's alright. And it's very far away, but it's growing day by day. And it's alright, baby, it's alright. And would you like to come along? We can help you sing the song. And it's alright, baby, it's alright. Gonna let me tell you what to do, 'cause I made a fool of you. And it's alright, baby, it's alright. We're on a road to nowhere. Hey! We're on a road to nowhere. We're on a road to nowhere. We're on a road to nowhere.
All right, let's get back to what I was working on before I ran out of beer. Oh, yeah, the beer run. Let me tell you how that went. It was a success. Went down to Circle K, got $5 or 5 gallons of gas, a 3-pack here, 3-pack of tall cans, and just so y'all know, it's 100% legit. That's my current registration, 1941 Dodge, and my insurance through Haggerty. See right there, 1941 Dodge. That's a 1941 Dodge. Had no problems. Drove like a champ. A little sluggish in 4th gear. When you get her up to about 70, 80 miles an hour, she wants to float. At least it felt like 70 or 80 miles an hour. I'm sure it was more like 40 to 45. But I had the GoPros hooked up, so I'm going to go check out that video. It's pretty cool. A lot of tweakers over at Circle K as usual. Re-scratching scratchers that have been scratched by the previous tweaker. So, all right, nice run. Beautiful day. I can't complain, man. It's awesome. I'm not even going to touch it anymore. I'm done for now. I'm just, maybe a steering wheel. The steering wheel got my hand all dirty. Look at that. So, maybe I'll look for a steering wheel. But other than that, man, I am happy. Happy. It's a good weekend. All right, let me get back to, working. Get me back to working.